Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. This video, I'll be showing you how to apply for Amazon Flex Driver. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to apply as an Amazon Flex Driver here, well, there are a few things that you may want to do. The first thing that you want to do is you want to download the app first. Now, this is kind of weird. Sometimes you'll be able to find or immediately find the Amazon Flex app inside Google Play Store or the App Store. But if not, there is a workaround for you to find it. So in this case, you want to go open up any browser here. Just type in any the following keywords here, Amazon Flex, and go to their official website. Now, in their website, you want to go and click on the Deliver Now option here. Just go and click or press on it. And from here, you should be able to get the App Store and Google Play option. So in this case, you want to go and just choose the appropriate option for you. So if you have an Android device, go and choose Google Play. Or if you have an iOS, go and choose the App Store option. But yeah, in here, you want to go and just basically install the app. So go and click on install. And once it's installed, let's go and click on open. Now, inside the app, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and basically start the application process. Now, if you already have an Amazon account, you can go and click on sign in with Amazon, or if you want to create an account, you can go and click on create an account. Now, again, you will be using your Amazon account in here. So if you want to use a different Amazon account, go and do that, but you'll need to use a different email address. But if you already have an Amazon account, you can go and click on sign in with Amazon and provide your username and password. So let's go and just provide all the details here and click on sign in. Now on the next screen, it's going to ask you to do a two-step verification here. They will be sending an OTP. Now, obviously, this is a secure screen. You won't be able to see it on my screen in here, but go ahead and just proceed with the OTP or enter the OTP here. Now, on the next screen here, they will require you to provide certain permissions here, like your current location, your camera access, phone state, and call phone. So in this case, go and click on continue and provide the access. So once you provided all the access here, they will give you an option here to join their waitlist. Now, this depends on where you are currently. So for example, if you're in Australia, depending on the city or which region you are, well, they may have a waitlist, or you'll be able to instantly send your application. Again, it depends on where you are. Sometimes there is a waitlist. Sometimes you'll be able to submit your information and all the documentations here, and sometimes they will just ask you to click on the join interest list here, and they will just reach out to you if a position is available as of right now. But currently, this is the only way for you to apply as an Amazon Flex Driver. And also just keep in mind, there are certain requirements here, like for example, insurance for your car, personal details, ID. So make sure to have those ready at hand. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.